Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. Today we're going to learn how to play note B on the recorder. Let's review note B. Remember, note B is on the third line of the treble clef staff. 1, 2, 3. So when you see this note in your music, you will know to play B. So, get your recorder out. Remember, left hand on top. So show me that you can place your left thumb over that back recorder hole. Great. Now you're going to take the pointer finger of your left hand and you are going to cover that very first hole. Now make sure that you are pressing nice and tight. If you're pressing tight enough, you're going to get these little indentation marks on your fingers. That is correct. Now also remember, you want to use that skin behind your nail, not the tips of your fingers and thumb. You always want to use this flat, I call it the meteor part of your finger to cover your holes. And that is so that when you're playing, air will not escape. Because if air escapes, you'll either play the wrong note or you will squeak. So you are going to put your thumb over the thumb hole, left thumb, and your first finger over that very first hole. And this is B. So take your right hand, support that recorder at the bottom. Okay? Now before we play, let's just review how we are supposed to blow through the recorder. So this instrument does not require a lot of air. It just requires a thin, constant stream of air. So if you look at the mouthpiece, you see that dip. That dip is going to sit on your bottom lip, like so. Then your top lip is going to come and cover almost to about here on the recorder. Now you do not want to put the whole mouthpiece in your mouth. Okay, so just cover the mouthpiece right at the top with your upper lip, and then make sure the sides of your mouth are closed tightly because you don't want air to escape from there when you're blowing. So you will place that recorder on your bottom lip, cover, and tighten up the sides of your mouth. Okay? Now when we will blow just a thin, constant stream of air like this. Try it with me. Try it with me, not through your recorder. Great. So let's get our mouth placement on. And I'll count to 3 and we will play a B. 1, 2, 3. Great job. This time, just listen to me play a B. Did your note sound like my note? Let's try again together. Place that mouthpiece in your mouth. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. So if your note was playing something different, the first thing you need to do is you need to check your thumb and finger placement. So as you can see, those indentations on my fingers, you can see them really, really well now. That's because I am just pushing and tightening my fingers over those holes. So if your instrument is not making that nice, clear B note, most likely those fingers are not covering those holes tight enough. So try again. Put your thumb on the back, finger there, and try blowing again and see if you can't match this pitch. Okay. You did a great job learning B, and I will see you for our next note. Now for your first exercise. You will go into seesaw and you can find the directions on how to access the Seesaw Classroom in my lesson plans. And you will select the activity, How to Play B, on the recorder. In this activity, you will see the exercise, Time to Play B. And I'd like you to practice and then record yourself playing and submit that to me through the activity. Now I'm going to play the exercise for you so that you know what it's supposed to sound like. I can't wait to hear you play.